Hi. Hi, Marin. Hi, Marin. What you doing? Kicky, kicky, kicky. Kick, 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 kick. Kick, 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 kick. Kick, 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 kick.
Are you putting a veil on her?
Yeah.
Jeremy.
Good morning, Jeremy.
Hi, Mom. Mom, is this
Did you have a good sleep?
Yes. Is this Jeremy? Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah. Hey, is this Jeremy's? Is this Jeremy?
Yep.
Jeremy.
Did you kiss her? She liked it. She talked to you, see?
Hi, Marin.
Oh, there's your brother.
Hi, Marin.
You should give her another kiss. She liked that.
Marin. Hi, Marin. Can we bring it downstairs?
Yep. Look, Gracie. Look, Jeremy.
Love you, Marin.
She's talking to you.
Hi, I love you. Hi, Marin. Did you have a good sleep?
Is it your brother?
Hi. It's kicking.
Yeah, she's excited because you're talking to her.
Hi,
Yep.
Marin. Can I touch Marin?
Yep.
Hi, Marin. Oh,
Good morning, Gracie.
Hi, Marin.
Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah. Touch her feet again. Hi, Marin.
Are you touching her kicky feet? That's how she exercises.
Oh, that's how it does. Hi, Marin. Hi.
Oh. Is that brother?
You're videotaping it. Hi.
Is that your brother?
Hi. Ah. What?
Is she kicking your hand?
Yeah. That's okay. Touch it. Touch it. No, touch it when her feet is back. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it.
Oh, you better talk to her, Jeremy.
Hi, Marin. Hi. 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 I love you, Marin. Hi. Hi.
Oh.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, no.
Hi. Hi, Marin. Hi.
What's wrong, Marin?
I want her stool, I think.
No, I think she's hungry. Should give her a kiss. She liked that.
Hi, Marin. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Oh, there's your brother.
Hi. 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 Hi.
She likes that when you kiss her, doesn't she?